Today we will make this yummy and cheesy meat kebab. We have tried many kebab recipes before. So today we will try kebabs stuffed with cheese. These kebabs are crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. So let's start making them. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Here I have taken about half a kilogram of minced meat. I have washed it thoroughly 3 times with water. Now we will grind it finely in a mixture grinder. So here I have ground the meat finely in a mixture grinder and now we will set it aside. Here I have taken 20 grams of mint leaves, 20 grams of coriander leaves and 10 to 12 spicy green chilies. I have also taken 10 to 12 onions, which weigh around 200 grams. We will chop all these ingredients finely in a chopper. So here I have chopped the coriander, mint, green chilies and onions finely. Now we will add them to the minced meat. Next we will add the dry spices. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon crushed coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon crushed red chilies, half tablespoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons white spicy masala powder and salt to taste. We will also add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, the juice of 1 medium lemon and 1 egg. Mix everything thoroughly. I have adjusted the quantity of crushed red chilies and green chilies to my preference, so you can adjust them according to how spicy you want it. All the spices are now well mixed with the meat. We will cover this mixture and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. It's been an hour since we left the kebab mixture to marinate. Now we will start shaping the kebabs. Take a portion of the mixture according to the size of the kebab you want to make. First flatten the portion like this. Now we will stuff it with mozzarella cheese. Add as much cheese as you want to make the kebab cheesy. After adding the cheese, gently pack the kebab in this way. Once packed, the kebab will look round, so we will gently press it and give it a flat shape. Be careful to press the sides so that the kebab doesn't crack and the cheese doesn't leak out. I have prepared all the kebabs in the same way and now we will prepare the rest of the kebabs in the same way. Now let's fry the kebabs. We will shallow fry these kebabs. So here I have taken a flat pan. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Once the oil is heated, place the kebab in the pan one by one. Let the kebabs fry on one side for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to low heat. Once one side is well fried, flip them one by one. Fry the other side the same way on a medium to low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. If you feel the kebabs are drying out while frying and need more oil, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil so that the kebab don't dry out and fry well. After frying for about 7 to 8 minutes on both sides, the kebabs are ready. In the same way, we will fry the remaining kebabs. Here you have crispy on the outside, juicy on inside and cheesy meat kebabs ready. If you want to try a new kebab recipe, definitely try this one. It's different in taste from normal kebab, cheesy and absolutely delicious. If you like the recipe, do comment and let me know. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.